5 seconds to go. Start very rapidly in order to come anywhere near the level we want. Stop. Therefore, apart from its political and economic aspects, it becomes a social problem of great magnitude. Stop. It is fairly well known that countries which are underdeveloped and which are relatively poor appear to have more rapid population growth. Stop. Para. I believe there is a tendency among the affluent countries also to increase their population. Stop. This policy may not affect them very much at present, but ultimately it is also bound to affect them in other ways. Stop. Anyhow, this is a problem of world importance because it will create all kinds of social conflicts, and ultimately political conflicts and the like. Stop. Obviously, this cannot be left to take its own course because that course would bring tremendous difficulties in its trail. Stop. We have to tackle it with some foresight and with some efforts at planning. Stop. In the main, the countries of Asia are most affected by this, and I suppose that all of them have their experiences and their suggestion to make. Stop. Para. I imagine that Japan has succeeded most in dealing with this problem. Stop. We will be glad to have the advice of Japanese experts who have come here, on how we should deal with our problem, and other countries will also profit by it. Stop. Possibly, this conference is the first effort on behalf on the associated organizations of the United Nations, on behalf of the e-cafe, to deal with social problems in this way. Stop. They have been dealing with economic problems and they brought to bear on them the combined experience and wisdom of the countries associated with them. Stop. Para. Now, the importance of social problem is being felt more and more. A new advance in this direction is being made by eCafe. I think this is to be welcomed, but economic and social problems are so intimately connected that you cannot be separate them. Stop. Therefore, I welcome particularly this conference which will deal mainly with population growth, and also other problems connected with it. Stop. After all, we are aiming at the social advancement of our people, and unless we advance as a whole, mere economic growth which might be unbalanced may not lead to the results we aim at. I trust, therefore, that this aspect of the problem should also be considered. Stop. Para. My dear countrymen, Namaskar. Stop. Para. Often in Man Ki Baat, there is a volley of your questions. Stop. This time I thought of doing something different, asking you questions, so listen carefully to my questions. Stop. Who was the first Indian to win an individual gold at the Olympics? Sign of interrogation. In which game has India won the maximum number of medals at the Olympics? Sign of interrogation. Which player has won the maximum number of medals at the Olympics? Sign of interrogation. Friends, you may or may not send answers to me, but by answering the Olympics quiz that is on MyGov, you will win several prizes. Stop. Many questions like these are in the Road to Tokyo quiz on MyGov. Stop. Participate in the Road to Tokyo quiz, comma, know how India has performed earlier, comma, how is your preparation now for Tokyo Olympics, comma, know all this for yourself and tell others too. Stop. I want to urge you all to definitely participate in this quiz competition. Stop para. Friends, comma, when we are talking of Tokyo Olympics, comma, how can one forget the legendary athlete Milkha Singh? Stop. Some days ago, comma, Corona snatched him away from us. Stop. When he was in hospital, comma, I got an opportunity to talk to him. Stop. While talking to him, I had urged him. Stop. I had said that you have represented India in 1964 Tokyo Olympics, comma, so this time when our players are going to Olympics in Tokyo, comma, you have to boost the morale of our athletes, comma, have to motivate them with your message. Stop. He was so committed and emotional for sports that he immediately gave his consent even during his illness. Stop. But unfortunately, comma, Providence had other plans. Stop. I still remember he had come to Surat in 2014. Stop. We had inaugurated a night marathon. Stop. The interaction that I had with him then, comma, the Surat about sports that happened, comma, that inspired me a lot too. Stop. We all know that the entire family of Milkha Singh has been dedicated to sports, has been adding to the glory of India. Stop. Para, friends, comma, when talent, comma, dedication, comma, determination and sportsman spirit come together, only then a champion is made. Stop. In our country, most of the sports persons hail from the smaller towns and villages. Stop. Our team that is going to Tokyo too has many such players whose life inspires a lot. Stop. When you hear about our Parveen Jadhavji, comma, then you too will feel how many difficulties Parveen has gone through to reach here. Stop. Parveen hails from a village in Stara district of Maharashtra. Stop. He is very good at archery. Stop. His parents run the family by working as laborers, and now their son is going to participate in his first Olympics at Tokyo. Stop. This is a matter of great pride not only for his parents but for all of us. Stop. Similarly, there is one more player, comma, our Neha Goyal ji. Stop. Neha is a member of the women's hockey team going to Tokyo. Stop. Her mother and sisters manage the family expenses by working in a cycle factory. Stop. Like Neha, comma, Deepika Kumari ji's life too has been full of ups and downs. Stop. Deepika's father drives an auto rickshaw and her mother is a nurse, comma, and now she, comma, Deepika is at present the only female archer from India in the Tokyo Olympics. Stop. Our best wishes are with Deepika, comma, once ranked world's number one archer. Stop. Para. Friends, comma, wherever we reach in life, comma, whatever height we attain, this connection with the ground, comma, always keeps us bound to our roots. Stop. The joy of success experienced after a period of struggle is something else. Stop. Our players going to Tokyo faced scarcity of means and resources in their childhood. Stop. But they preserved, comma, and endured with fortitude. Stop. The life of Priyanka Goswami ji of Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh also teaches a lot. Stop. Priyanka's father is a bus conductor. Stop. As a child, Priyanka adored the bag that the medal winners were presented with. Stop.